Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best sous vide cooker. So let's get started. Number 7. Anova Culinary and 500 US 00. Appliances these days are getting smarter and more connected, and this sous vide cooker is a prime example. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can set, change, and monitor your cooking from afar, which is great when you're cooking a sous vide meal that might take several days. But that's not the end of the smart cooking. You can delay the start of the cooking time and use ice in the water bath to keep the food cold until it's time to start heating. If the water temperature rises above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the Anova sous vide will start cooking so the food is never held at an unsafe temperature. Our product tester, who tested a very similar, now discontinued model, was impressed with how well the Anova cooked her meats. Number 6. Breville Joule Sous Vide. The Joule was first introduced in 2016 by Chef Steps, a company that has since been acquired by Breville. This sous vide cooker is loaded with great features. It's one of the smallest on the market at just 11 inches tall, so it will fit into a kitchen drawer for storage. It has a magnetic base and a side clip, so it can be used in a wide variety of containers, with as little as 1.5 inches of water in the pot. On the other end of the scale, it can handle up to 10 gallons of water. Performance-wise, our reviewer found that the Joule was quick and easy to use. The sous vide method is quite forgiving. Because the water bath is the exact temperature you desire your food to be, overcooking food is very unlikely, even if you leave your dinner in the water bath longer than needed, she explains. Number 5. Instant Pot Accu Slim Sous Vide. The same brand that brought us the well-known pressure cooker also developed an immersion circulator for sous vide cooking. It can be used with an instant pot and boasts a small size and an even smaller price tag. Its affordability does mean you lose features found in other models, such as Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control capabilities. However, our tester found the interface was easy to read, the temperature accurate, and the slim size a serious bonus for those with limited storage space. Number 4. Anova Culinary Precision Cooker Nano. Okay, so most of the options on this list are pretty compact, but the smaller version of our best overall pick is extremely sleek, at 12.8 inches tall and 2.2 inches in diameter. And like its larger version, Anova Nano wowed customers with how perfectly it cooked a wide range of meats, from steaks and pork tenderloin to skinless and boneless chicken. It also costs less, but you'll lose Wi-Fi capability and some power. The Nano boasts 750 watts instead of the original's 900. That might be a deal breaker for those looking for a fast-working circulator. Number 3. Sansaire Sous Vide Machine. A no-frills approach to sous vide, this Sansaire stick model was a successful Kickstarter project that has become incredibly popular. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it does exactly what you need it to do. It heats the water to the precise temperature you set and circulates it for even heating. It holds the temperature where you set it until you turn the device off, whether it's an hour or a day later. The digital readout is bright enough to read from a distance, even in dim light, and the temperature control is easy, just a simple dial. Since there's no timer, you'll need to watch the clock or set a timer to let you know when cooking is done. Number 2. Tribest Sousvant Sous Vide Cooker. The all-in-one design and user-friendly digital controls make this easy to set up and operate every time, and the precise temperature controls let you use any sous vide recipe you want. While some sous vide setups look like they just stepped out of a lab, this looks like a normal countertop kitchen appliance. The clear cooking carafe lets you watch the food as it cooks, and it's removable for easy filling, emptying, and cleaning. Its performance is a standout, too. Many customers rated the Tribest highly for how it cooked chicken not dry and steaks perfectly medium rare. Number 1. Chefman Sous Vide Immersion. The Chefman Sous Vide cooker and the app is great pairing. There's no lack of power with its 1100 watts, and the app has many cooking guide videos to help with your meals. The Chefman Sous Vide app, for iOS and Android, comes with step-by-step recipes, temperature guides, how-to videos, tips, and more. You can make delicious food consistently. The Chefman cooker has built-in smart sensors for monitoring water levels and a flexible clamp fixture to fit most pots and containers.